Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect WordPress to an IONOS. Let's get into it. First, go to WordPress settings. Open your website, log into your account, and click on WordPress settings from your menu dashboard. Wait for the general settings page to load completely so you can see all the boxes on the screen, because you cannot link an outside name from the public front page. You have to go into this private area so the system gives you permission to change the rules of your site. Without this step, you would just be looking at your blog posts instead of changing how your address works. Next, add your custom address. Look at the main page choices and scroll down until you see Add Custom Address, where you can click and replace it with your IONOS site. Type your exact web address into that box carefully so there are no spelling mistakes. It tells your building system exactly what name it should look for on the web. By placing your new address into this slot, you prepare the system to receive the outside connection. It ensures the computer knows your exact name before you try to finalize the link. Next, go to the Upgrade menu. Now you need to navigate to the part of the store that lets you purchase the rights to use an outside web name on your account. Look over at your menu options on the left screen. Go to Upgrade from the left sidebar. Click on this choice and look for the tab that talks about adding or buying a new domain link. Because basic free accounts do not always let you use outside names without a small account upgrade. By entering this section, you open up the tool that officially handles your address purchases. It is the key step to getting the right output so you can unlock the full power of your web name. Look at the screen search bar and type in your IONOS domain to purchase the connection link. Follow the checkout steps on your screen to complete the transaction and save your new configuration. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.